Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this is about Comet K fee structure, and this provides for information related with fee every aspects and different components of the fees. And this information is shared by the Comet K authority itself. So if you see Comet K counseling process quick guide is there, which was released on 25th May, and it talks about the total fees payment which is applicable. So the first point is that total fees is dependent on the college. So each college slightly charges different fees and courses and seat matrix, right, which will be available later. So final fees will come in around the 10th of June. So you will have to wait for that. But total fees is dependent on the college also. And total fees has basically two components. First is the tuition fees and second is the other fees. And both of them have to be paid every year. You have to pay tuition fees every year. You have to pay other fees every year. So total fees is basically tuition fees plus other fees. Now if you first talk about the college fee, which is the other fees, right? What are the components which are there included? So colleges are providing basically skill lab facilities, right? So depending on the nature of the college, there are 3 slabs. So if you are studying in the best college, right, on the top colleges, they will charge maximum amount 20,000 rupees per year. But if your college is medium level, then they may charge 15,000 rupees per year. And if you are studying in the colleges which are at lower end, where they want to keep the fees minimum so that students select those colleges, they will charge 10,000. So you can understand skill lab facility itself is charged in 3 different ways: 20,000 slab, 15,000 slab, 10,000 slab. You will have to check which college you are applying. There may be difference of 5,000, 10,000, which you can see here. Hope you understood. Now the second line item is called applicable university fees. You can understand this is related with university, and the university for all the colleges of Karnataka is basically VTU. I am talking about the private colleges as well as the all of the government colleges. They are affiliated to VTU, but there are some private universities also, like CMR University or Dayanand Sagar University or others like Presidency University. So those are applicable universities. So for VTU, the fees is 7,900 last year. So almost 8,000 rupees you have to pay as applicable university fees for the VTU related fees, right? But if you are studying in non-VTU, as I mentioned, CMR University or Presidency or any other type, they may charge even 20,000 as university fees. So you will have to first check which university you are joining. So if it is VTU, 7,900 last year, and if it is others, it is 20,000. So let's move to other sheet. So you see, third clause they have given that the students who are doing accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade, both of these students who are doing accept and upgrade and reject and upgrade will also have to pay the total fees at the time of decision making. And whatever fees they pay during decision making, the same fees will be adjusted if they are upgraded in the next round, right? If they are upgraded in the next round, this fees what they have paid will be adjusted. Only difference amount will be either asked to pay more or it will be refunded, right? So depending on you are getting higher fees college later or so on. So that is a C point. And also it is mentioned that there would be increase in the total fees at the time of decision making in the subsequent fees. So that is the point which I said. If you are paying more in the second round, then the difference you need to pay only. First round, you have paid some amount already. And if your fees is decreasing, then during the second round you will get some refund also if you have paid more in the first round. So that is the way. Details of fee. So this is again based on the last year. Last year there were 2 slabs. One slab is 2,44,372, which all the top colleges are going to charge. Second slab is 1,73,936, which medium colleges or the lower colleges will charge, right? So if you are studying in top 25-30 colleges, your fees will be 2,44,000, which you see here, plus college fees, which I mentioned in the previous sheet, plus university fees, which I mentioned in the previous sheet, right? And similarly, if you are studying in the medium colleges, then they will charge 1,73,936 plus college fees plus application or the applicable university fees, right? So those fees will be added. So hope it is clear that it will be like 2,44,000 plus 20,000 if you are there as a skill lab fees, plus university fees, which will be around 10,000. So you can believe that it will be around 2.75 lakhs, 2.75 to 2.8 lakhs on the higher slab, and for the lower slab one you will have to pay around 2 lakhs, 1,73,000 plus 20,000 and plus some 10,000. So it will cross 2 lakhs. So 2.8 lakhs and 2 lakhs, which you can consider based on the last year. And if there is any revision, that will be extra. So I have not covered what can be the increase. The increase can also be like 10%, which is possible every year, right? So increase amount is not yet said. So that's all I have to talk. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on Comet K. Take care and bye.